FitLabPGH back with another movement tip and lifestyle hack, reminding you that even if you don't have a lot of property, you can still grow some of your own vegetables. I use container gardens on my front porch. It shields from the sun so I can grow lettuce and spinach pretty much throughout the heat of the summer, even though I have to water it a lot. I don't put it in the back patio because I've done that before, and the Labradors also like greens. So I have FitLabPGH Labradors, and they like vegetables too. So I have spinach here that I planted about 4 weeks ago. It's a little bit shaded. And if we come all the way over here, basil likes hot weather a little bit more. We're having lots and lots of basil salad. You can buy the pots, you can buy some potting soil and some seeds, and you can grow your own vegetables. And this amount of basil, if you bought it, would probably cost you $7 or $8. I've got about $3 in seeds. So grow your own food. Another movement tip from FitLabPGH.